A lesser-known Lunar New Year custom from the south of China is the Tray of Togetherness. This decorative box filled with treats has been a part of the Chinese New Year tradition for many centuries and is as essential a part of the celebration as firecrackers and red lanterns. The traditional Tray of Togetherness is made up of 3 to 9 compartments that are filled with an array of symbolic candies, fruits, nuts, and other treats for the new year. Each item in the tray has its own special meaning. Dried kumquats symbolize gold, prosperity, and luck, as the name for kumquat translates to gold orange. Candied lotus root is used to symbolize abundance year after year. Winter melon is for a good year from the beginning to the end. Pineapple symbolizes success in business. Lucky candy with red and gold foil wrappers symbolize a sweet beginning to the new year. Coconut symbolizes togetherness. Candied water chestnuts are for a prosperous year. And cracked sesame balls are for happiness. To celebrate the new year, we created a traditional Tray of Togetherness that we decorated with foo stamps milled on the Bantam Desktop CNC machine.
In addition to that, we created a turntable to feature our 3D printed mandarin oranges that we made on our Lulzbot 3D printer.
From all of us at Digikey, we wish you wealth, prosperity, and happiness in the new year. 新年快乐!
Follow the link to our project on Maker.io for full instructions on how to mill the foo stamps and download the STL files for our 3D printed mandarins. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.